Most people jump into apps like Pocket7Games thinking they've found an easy way to make real money. But here's the truth no one tells you. These platforms are skill-based gaming systems, and whether you actually earn depends on how you play, not just how much you play. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 breakdown of Pocket7Games, how it works, whether it really pays real money, and what you should expect before you deposit or play. Let's start with the basics. Pocket7Games is a mobile gaming platform where you play skill-based games like puzzles, card games and arcade challenges. Instead of earning passive rewards, you usually enter competitions using entry fees or free credits. If you win, you earn real cash rewards that can be withdrawn. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike simple reward apps, Pocket7Games is competitive. That means you are not just playing against the app, you are playing against real players. So your earnings depend heavily on your skill level and consistency. For example, a user like Alex who is good at quick decision puzzle games might win small tournaments regularly. But a casual player who just tries random games may struggle to break even. Now let's talk about whether it actually pays real money. Yes, Pocket7Games does offer real cash withdrawals. Many users report successful payouts through supported methods like PayPal or similar digital payment systems depending on region. But here's the problem most beginners miss. Just because payouts are real does not mean profits are guaranteed. You can win money, but you can also lose entry fees if you are not careful. That's the key difference between Pocket7Games and simple reward apps. Now let's break down what affects your earnings. First is skill level. The better you are at specific games, the higher your chances of winning tournaments. Second is game selection. Some games are easier to win consistently than others. Third is discipline. Many users lose money because they chase losses or enter too many paid matches without strategy. Now here's something important. Pocket7Games is not a stable income app. It is closer to competitive entertainment with cash rewards attached. So you should never treat it like a job or guaranteed earning platform. So what's the final verdict in 2026? Pocket7Games does pay real money, and withdrawals are possible. But earnings are skill-based, inconsistent, and dependent on competition. It rewards experienced players more than casual users. Here's the final takeaway. If you enjoy competitive mobile games, you can potentially earn small rewards. But if you are looking for guaranteed income, this is not the right platform. If you found this review helpful, like the video, comment your experience with Pocket7Games, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns and real earning reviews.